Hello guys, how are you doing? I wanted to show you a little bit more of my progress with the Farmall H. I know it's been a little bit. I have been making progress, but I've really only been working on it for very short durations, but on a daily basis. So like I might work on this thing for 20 minutes to up to an hour per day and not really getting like huge amount of things done in that time, but it's coming along, and over a week's time it all adds up. So let me show you what we got here. Since you've seen it last, I have the radiator on. Everything's connected, like the hoses. I actually have it full of water. I did end up getting a new muffler. This is a, like a common Stanley muffler you can get for one of these. It is a little bit louder than the IH ones that have the baffles in them. I have noticed that. I did also put a like a high heat spray paint on it, just because I wanted to see how long that lasts compared to just the regular gray finish they come with. My experience in the past is the gray finish, when you buy these, it'll quickly like turn brown and rust up. I don't know, we'll see what happens with this. I don't have extremely high hopes, but we'll see how it goes. I've done some very basic wiring to the tractor just to get it to start. I've essentially got it set up like I've hot wired the thing. But let me show you. We'll give this thing a crank and see if we can get it to run. I have stuff all around the tractor, of course. Makes it a little difficult to maneuver. Let's see. Got this temporary gas tank here. It's just holding me by until I get the real thing back on there. Got the fuel filter there filling up with fuel. The choke's not going to want to stay, but we'll crank and see what happens. Push the button here, make sure we're out of gear. Let's go. I gotta get that choke lever back on there, but that's something I haven't cleaned and painted yet. Bad, huh? I'm gonna turn my fuel back off. Yeah, so that, like I said, that muffler is louder than the stock one. I can put the stock one back on there, it's just ugly. But it is a little bit quieter, so anyhow. That's where we're at now. Just want to provide you guys with a short update here. I'm gonna have more of a compilation video of some of the additional progress that I've done. I'll, put it all together. I'll share that later, but this is just kind of give you an idea of what I've been up to. Hope you're all doing well. And also, you might have noticed I've been posting some vintage old like tractor ads and stuff like that lately. I have them on an old hard drive, and I'm afraid the hard drive is going to fail. I didn't want to lose these things, so I figure I'll just upload them to the channel. You guys can check them out too. I think they're pretty cool. Hope you're having a good one. I'm hoping I can get this thing wrapped up before July 4th, and maybe get like an American flag or something put on it and just put it out, let the neighbors see it and kind of share it with others. Anyway, see you guys. Have a good one.